Large members of Peshawar University students and staff organized a rally in the city on Tuesday. To ensure that there will be no attack on the participants, Peshawar police kept a strong presence. The demonstrators chanted slogans against the militants and in support of the government's action on the terrorists. They also paid tribute to those killed by militants in bomb blasts or in military confrontations.
It definitely indicates that this is not only the war which is being fought by the frontier police or the armed forces or the frontier constabulary or the frontier corps. It is a noble cause, and all the population and all the majority, they are supporting it. It is a very good indicator.
The frequent attacks by militants on the educational institutions have discouraged some parents from sending their children to college or university.
The purpose of this rally was to encourage the students and also their parents, because especially most of the mothers, they are very much scared that they don't want to send their children for the university and colleges, and they are still scared that any bomb blast, any suicide attack will kill their children. So this awareness should be to their mothers also and to the families also who are watching this all this rally and who are the participants of this rally.
The rally was then followed by a candlelight vigil in the evening, where marchers lit candles symbolizing message of solidarity with those who have lost their lives in the war on terror, and prayed for restoration of lasting peace to the region. By siding with those fighting for them, the residents of Peshawar who have pined hope for peace now see themselves in an unwanted war on terror. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.